know girls like you like guys like me, but not forever. You just need a little something in between to make the next man jealous. You wanna say that you and me was something serious. I'm on the wild side, you need some experience. But all you really want is a really good story. Whatever. Baby, slow down. You could never catch the line like me.
Era só a trilha do cara que trabalhava na roça aqui. Aí eu vim uma semana, trabalhei o dia todo com 4 homens, fiz uma parte. Na outra semana eu voltei, cheguei até na cachoeira.
My fault, you're too extra. I see you putting on for the camera, and I'll be damned it don't impress ya. I'm missing on my Adderall and Vicodin. I bet you snagged it when I heard you wrestling through my medicine cabinet. You're looking at a really bad end to a really good story. Damn, whatever. Baby, slow down. You could never catch the line like me. Put your phone down and snap back to reality. What's the